Okay, so this is the. I just want to make sure I'm looking at myself. Yes, this is the uh, installation, basic installation that I'm going to do. And as you can tell right now, I have my TV on. I have it set to my channel 4 HDMI stream feature or input. I've gone ahead and I've gotten the box here. The box is right here. And I've already connected my HDMI cable, which was here already. I had an old streaming unit, a Vizio streaming unit, which I never used because it really was a piece of garbage. So I don't use that. Oh, sorry for the dust. Should have cleaned it before I started recording this. Anyway, hope you didn't see that. Anyway, so I put my little R box here. Here is the adapter that's going to plug it into it. I had to run an extension cord from there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I had to run an extension cord from there. And the extension cord is tucked away back in here. I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but anyway, the key thing is that the extension cord is there, the adapter is plugged into it, and here is the cable that's coming from the back of the, oh, there it is. There it is, the extension cord and the adapter. Okay, so now I'm going to, I'm going to assume that because I'm plugging it in for the first time, it's going to automatically come on. Okay, so that's why I preemptively put the TV on that particular input, so that when I plug the power in, it's going to come on. Now, here's one thing you need to know. The remote control did not come with batteries. So I have my own batteries here. They are 2 AAA batteries. And that's that. Oh, and one other thing. Let me do this before I forget. I'm going to plug in my Bluetooth adapter so that it is charging. I have not used it in a while. It's been a while that I haven't used it. So, whoa, I'm not supposed to see that. So I have my Bluetooth mouse charging. I need to get my Bluetooth keyboard. Where is my Bluetooth keyboard? Here it is. Haven't used it in a while. So I'm going to have that ready. And I don't think there are any batteries in here. There shouldn't be. Oh, there are batteries in here. Well, then we need to get those batteries, those bad boys charged up. So I'm going to put this to charge real quick. And then I'll record part 2 of the booting up session or installation or what have you. Let me get these 4 batteries here. But basically, yeah, the R box is on top of my Blu-ray player. The adapter is right there. In fact, let's plug in the Blu-ray player right now and see what, the box, and see what happens, okay? We'll plug it in. I'm just thinking it's gonna power up. That's what I'm thinking. Now this video is 4 minutes long already, so I've gotta condense it down. Let's see here. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it in here. Oh, our box. See, that's what I thought would happen. I kind of figured that would happen, that it would come on automatically. I knew it. Okay, Kodi Media Center, all the apps, Netflix, YouTube, file, the settings, music, video, the internet, the browser, downloads, the Kodi again, the Google Play Store, And I guess I don't know what that means, if it means output or streaming out, and a plus sign for more. So, and here are the micro SD input, USB input, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and I guess a cleanup type of thing. Anyway, so yeah. So yeah, that's important. When you get this box, put the TV on ready for it. You might as well put the TV on ready for it so that you know it is going to come on the moment you plug the power in. I didn't turn it on. I just plugged the power in and it comes on right away. I guess that's the first time, it does that. Anyway, next video, let's get started working on it, okay? So, bye.